Algebra 2, first semester 2019-2020 school year. This is our ACP preview number 15A. Problem is actually symmetry is the equation x equals 2. If two other points are given as 0, 5 and 3, 4, what is the function of gravity defined by the given conditions? But just like in problem 14A, the key thing to start out with is our understanding of the vertex form of the parabola, which is f of x equals a times quantity x minus h squared plus k. And in this case, we are given the axis symmetry, which is x equals 2. And so what we know here is that h is equal to 2. That's what that means. And so we can rewrite this function here as f of x equals a times quantity x minus h, which is x minus 2 squared plus k. So we don't know what a or k are really, but we are given two other points. And so we're going to get two equations to help us determine what that equation is. So for the point 0, 5, we're going to just substitute in here. So 5 is equal to, that's going to be our f of x, a times, we have 0, we have 0 for x minus 2, and we're going to square that plus k. And then we're going to create another equation using the other point for point 3, 4. So that's going to be 4 is equal to a times x, which is 3 minus 2 quantity squared plus k. And now we have two equations with two unknowns. And we have, looking on the left one first, we have 5. We have negative 2 squared is 4. So 5 equals 4a plus k. And then our other equation here is we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. So we have 4 equals 1a plus k. Now we have two equations and two unknowns. We can just, one thing we can do is we could take this second equation, put it directly underneath the first, and subtract it. So we have 4 equals a plus k. And if we subtract this bottom equation from the first, we have 5 minus 4, which is 1, is equal to 4a minus a, which is 3a. So dividing by 3, we have a is equal to 1/3. And now we can find what k is, because we have 4 equals 1/3 plus k. Well, how many thirds do we have in 4? We can just multiply 4 by 3. 4 is 12 thirds. So 12 thirds equals 1/3 plus k. And subtracting 1/3 from both sides of this equation, we have k is equal to 11 thirds. So our equation is going to be, and I'll just write it toward the bottom, f of x equals 1/3, and we have, of course, x minus h, which is x minus 2 squared plus 11 thirds. And the last thing we're going to do is enter this function in our calculator to see if we get the points that we were supposed to have. So here it is in our, here's our calculator. We get a y equals. Just change that. We have 1/3. We have x minus 2. And then for this one here, we have plus 11/3. So I'm going to go alpha y equals. We have 11/3. This 3 here. There we go. So we should have everything here. Let me check to be sure. Okay, we can graph. And most importantly, take a look at our points here. We should have 0, 5, which we have. We should have 3, 4. That's our second point. We see at 2, we have our vertex. X equals 2. We have 11/3. That's our K value. So everything looks good. This is our correct answer. So a little more involved than problem 14a with 2 points needed in addition to axial symmetry. I invite the viewer to go on and work another problem out, 15b, see how you do on that. It shouldn't be too bad. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.